Hello guys, so today we are going to do a review on Dixy chicken, the 3-piece sizzler wings and chips. So I got it with me right now. Dixy chicken, here we go. And yeah, I'm going to open up. So first I'm going to review the fries. So, here it is. Looks pretty good. Just a fry, you know. They taste better from the last time I tried them. Yeah, they definitely taste quite good right now. They were not the best, but now they're good. Overall review of the chips: 6 out of 10. Now the part you've all been waiting for. The chicken. Oh. Alright. Oh. Put it here. Alright. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Pretty fresh. Hold on. Let me try the whole thing. Alright. Cheers. It's actually pretty good. Nah, I love this. Literally, I love their chicken. Their chicken is banging. Not gonna lie. So good. This chicken is so good. Actually. 3 sizzler wings and chips, £2, proper bargain. Literally. Gotta make sure I eat all of it, because nothing goes to waste. Except the bone, of course, because I can't eat the bone. Hold on. Spit. Alright. Amazing. Now, I was gonna just make this into a mukbang, but, you know, nah. But, yeah. Honestly, I think it's pretty good. I mean, the chips taste alright. Not that bad. The chicken, amazing. Look at this big piece. It's kind of good, you know. Alright. Yeah, let's try this. Hold on. Juicy, succulent, really great tasting. Would recommend. Yeah. If you ever get the chance to, try it. So good. Their chicken is amazing. Their chips, it could vary. Sometimes they could be good, sometimes they could be not that good. But overall, I would rate the whole meal 7.5 out of 10. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me review this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.